So whoever is doing it from the scratch, like starting from the company, if somewhere else, if you need the help, no, please do ask me. Okay, I will going to help you out. But whoever is taking this server, you can proceed with copying from the client. Okay. So what I will do, SPR. Okay, I think you all know what you mean by this SPRO. Okay, if somebody is new for this SAP, SPRO is nothing but SAP project reference object. Okay, within that we're going to go to the IMG activity, that is nothing but the implementation guide. Okay, here only whatever the configurations are there, everything will going to take care in this particular thing only. Okay, as I said, please don't worry about the ERP configurations. Okay, I'm just doing it basically because we need it. Okay, that is why. But we're going to concentrate on the EWM configurations. Okay, so I'll directly means I have set up my company code. I'll just show you for your reference. So my company code is COM1. Okay, COM1 is okay. Yeah, COMA. Sorry, COMA is company code. Okay, and your company, sorry, company, that is the company code is CDM1. Okay, sorry, CCM1, right? Company code M1. Okay, CCM1 I have created. Where is that CCM1? I deleted that.
You are checking credit control area.
Credit control areas.
That is what I am. Okay, define company. Okay, here it is now. Sorry, this is the company. Company code, here it is. Okay, sorry. Go to the edit company data. Okay, my company code is CCM1. Okay, this is available here. Okay, this company code M1. Okay, if you are not connecting with the client also, no issues. Okay, I have given all the data and address. I have just made it for the IN app. Okay, if you are means copying from some different currency, again you need to change the currency codes in different systems. Okay, means, what is that in OKKP you need to change it. Okay, which variant you are checking, all those things we need to take care. Okay, so please copy this. And here, okay, this is about the company code, and I will be proceeding with the what is that plant. Okay, here my plant is, I'll show you. In the defined plant, we have PL M1 as the plant. Okay. Yeah, PLM1 is the plant for me. I'll just copy it. Okay. So I think you all know how to copy the plant. What I will do, I will say copy, delete, check plant. Okay. Here I will go for the copying the plant, and here my plant is PLM1. Let's copy it for. We will going to use some names. Okay. This naming are very important. Okay. Okay. From plant, shall I just copy for PLM2? Is it okay, right? So we'll just proceed with the PLM2 only. Okay. So easy to understand. Or else we can give every name with a single things only. Okay. Then also you can able to proceed. Okay. This ROD and all, if you're going to copy automatically. After that, the purchasing organization will be same and sales organization will be same. All these things will be same. I'll just copy this WM2. That's it. Okay. But I'll be showing all these things to you. Okay. So here, what I will do, I'll be making the PLM2. Okay, that is my next company code. Okay, so just proceed with this. Whatever the number ranges are there, I'll just copy everything.
Okay. So for EWM, the number ranges we may have to maintain, right?
Yes.
This is standard functional.
Yes, correct. You are right. There we are not copying anything. We're going to maintain our own number ranges. Okay.
Okay, so if we are maintaining over there with the different number ranges, how it is going to sync, Sri? I mean,
actually, see, in the EWM, it is completely a different entity. Okay, so whatever the number ranges are there over here, this is only for the ERP side. Okay, this is only for the ERP side. Whenever you are creating some what is that data in the EWM, that will be completely different entity. Okay, so how the syncage will be there and all, I'm going to show you. Okay, no?
Okay.
Sri, I have one doubt. Like EWM number ranges are like some 1 to 10,000.
Okay.
Then same number ranges we are maintaining in ERP.
Yeah, they are only for specific things. Okay, like if you are creating some HU types, okay, HUs, okay, that time the number is will going to come into the picture, because whatever the material and I'm going to do it now, that those materials will be going through the some that is yesterday I showed no CLM start, sorry, CKM start. Through that only the materials are syncing, because we are just creating some what is that general material ledger okay, through which the materials are syncing with the EWM system. Okay, and this it is already there in the S4HANA. Whatever the BP, okay, like BP in the sense business partners will going to create, that will be synced with the EWM directly. Okay, master data you are not changing anything, only in the transactional data how we are distributing the number range I'm going to show you. Okay,
Okay.
got the idea, Jaiva?
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay.
Got it.
So I have just copied my plant. Okay, the subject selected object is PLM1, and I have copied it to the PLM2. It is one or what? Again and again, it is giving this trouble. Even I'm going to do one more setup in the decentralized, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so here as of now, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure. In this definition, okay, logistic general. Here we have copied the plant. Okay, we have already copied the plant. We'll just open up our plant, define plant, position, PLM2. Okay, so I just want to change it. Okay, plant PLM2. Here also I'm going to change plant PLM2. And if I double click on that, so let the data will be like this only. Okay, I don't want to change. If you go to the address, here also some plant PLM2, I will make it. Okay, this is PLM2 system. Okay, all the streets and all I don't require. Okay, here 5, 6. Okay, and view mine in Bangalore. Okay, so the reason is then for Karnataka, I think. Okay, that is enough. Okay, so I have just maintained all these things. Okay, so I will just save it here. So everything is changed now. Okay, so and I am maintaining some factory calendar. Okay, so this factory calendar and all we have to maintain it in the warehouse as well. Okay, where we will going to maintain, we are going to see it. So I'll just go back. So I have created the plant, and now we have to create the storage location. Okay, so where we're going to create the storage location, we'll go through the material management. Here maintain storage location is there. If you open PLM2, we have already have these 3 storage locations. Okay, I just made it for the inventory management, 1 storage location, and this ROD and AFS I have made it for the EWM storage locations, because I am connecting these things with the WM warehouse, sorry, that ERP warehouse. So that is why once we're going to connect our ERP warehouse to the EWM warehouse, these also will going to connect it with the EWM. Okay, so I will just go back. and correct purchase org. Okay, I have created my purchase org, that is POM1. Okay, it is available here. Then okay, I will go to the sales and distribution. I'll just show. Okay, I'm not creating anything here. So first is the sales organization. Okay, once I'm going to enter define sales organization, here I will show you SOM1 is my sales organization. Okay, this is sales organization for PLM1. Okay, the same thing I am considering for myself. And means when I'm going to copy the plan note, I know, okay, most of you from SAP MM background only. So when I'm going to get copy the plan, all these things will be assigned. Okay, sales org and shipping point, all these things will be assigned. Okay, you already know about this. Okay, so we're going to change the shipping point. Okay, so that one we need to change. And here, okay, again in this sales organization only, we have the distribution channel. Okay, I have created the distribution channel. Means I have created, so it is there earlier only. I'm just using it. Okay, distribution channel 10, I am using it. Okay, this one wholesale, like that I'm using it. And I have set up for the 1 also, 0 1 also I have set up. Okay, and here divisions is there. Okay, yeah, divisions will come later. Okay, so here I have copied the distribution channel and all. I have not created the sales office, I don't require it. And here if you go to the logistic execution, this is important. Okay, one more important thing, here I have defined my warehouse number. Okay, my warehouse number in the ERP side. Okay, this is ERP side. I have created the WM1. Okay, if you see, WM1 is my warehouse. Okay, nothing will be there. You just have to copy this warehouse and you create your own. Sorry, I have to copy now. Sorry. So I will just go to the copy. Okay, I will just say WM1 to WM2. I will make it. Okay, so WM1 to WM2. I am making it. Okay, save it. Okay, your warehouse is going to get copied from here. Okay, it is copied. So I will just change the naming. Okay, WM2 here. This is for the PLM2. Okay, so for plant PLM2, I'm creating this. Save, and we need to change the shipping point also. Shipping point means from where we are shipping the material. Okay, so from where we are shipping the material. Okay, so this is important again. So here copy, delete, check, shipping point is there now. I'll just open up this, and whatever the shipping point I have created, that is SPM1. So 1 minute. SPM1. Here SPM1 is available. Now I just want to copy this SPM1 and I'm going to make a SPM2. Okay, copy this. From here we are copying SPM1 to SPM2. Okay. We go back. We go to the shipping points again. Okay, you can see our shipping point, that is SPM2. I'll just make it for the PLM2. This shipping point is for PLM2 line. Okay, save this. It should not go again. I need to ask about this. Okay, if we are leaving for 1 minute, also we are losing the system server access. Actually, I will tell it to him.
Sri,
Yeah.
these steps what you're doing, this is the organization structure, right?
Yes, yes, it is. This is the organization structure. Actually, you are from MM background only, right, Suresh?
No, I am developer.
Oh, okay, okay. Then I actually, so you are taking the system or a different system you are taking? Means you already have the system.
Actually, my system, I have S4 HANA, but I don't know this EWM T code still work out.
Okay, so if you are free today, then we'll connect for some 15 minutes and we can check that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then I'll later on I'll tell about this. Okay. So this ERP side, actually, I'm just copying the plans and all. Okay. This is not at all in our condition. We're not going to maintain it. But definitely, if you not from the MM background, definitely please do ask me. Okay. We need to go a little slow here. Okay. Not an issue. Because you need to set up this system as well for yourself. Or else it is a very like 15 minutes we can able to do it. Okay, if you are having a system also, I'll going to help for that. Okay,
Yeah.
that is why I'm telling I don't want to take more than 10 people, or else I cannot concentrate.
Yeah.
For all 10 people, I can able to what is that do the EWM architecture, sorry, ERP architecture. But from the EWM anyway, you will be practicing, right? We are taking it from the scratch only, whatever the EWM is. Is gone actually. I will tell about this issue to him. Okay, so he will definitely fix this side. I was copying the shipping point here. Okay, so here infrastructure definition here logistic execution and shipping point. Okay, I will just check whether it is happened or not. I don't know. ESP M2. M. Wherever the load is more, there only it is giving the trouble. Okay, there are so many shipping points available. We'll wait. Okay, SPM2 is already generated. Okay, so SPM2 is generated. Okay, in this shipping point, again, I have maintained the practical address IN. Okay, some address you need to maintain. If you are not maintaining the address, also not an issue. Okay, so shipping point is generated for us. Okay, and this is until this we have defined the things. Okay, if whatever the SAP system we take, okay, we're going to come across what is that how the SAP system got developed. Okay, so here we'll be having the definitions and assignments and determinations. What do you mean by determination? See, if I want to ship some material from one particular location to another, I am determining this is my shipping point, like that. Determination, that is what the determination is about. And definitions means whatever the things we have just defined now, they are all the definitions and we need to assign them. Okay, so whatever the definitions are there now, because we have just taken this part. Okay, we have just created all of them, but we don't know which is linked to what. Okay, this company code is not linked with the the company is not linked with the company code yet. The plant is not linked with the company code, and storage locations are linked. Okay, this purchasing organization is not linked with the plant or the company code. Okay, we just need to link them. Okay, they are in the assignment. Okay, we will going to do it in the assignment part. And determination, whenever it is required, no, there only we're going to take that part. Okay, so I will just show it in the financial accounting. I have not yet linked it. We can link this. Okay, assign company code to the company. Okay, and my company code is CCM1. I said. Okay, I'll just link with the that COM1. Okay, with the COM1, I'm just linking it. Okay, save this. COM1 doesn't exist. Okay, I'll just link with the COM1. Clients might be anything. Okay, under one client, we're going to get the different company codes. There's not an issue. Okay, so here that is done. Okay, and if I go to the logistic general, here we need to assign our plant to the company code. Okay, as I have copied, no, it is already assigned. Okay, I'll just show you here. Okay, so if you directly go to the position, and here if you view the plant, okay, that is PLM2, our plant, it is already linked with the CCM1. CCM1 is your our company code, right? So it is already linked because we have copied. So I will just go back, and next is the sales. Okay, if I go to the sales distribution, we haven't changed anything, but I'll just show you. Assign sales organization to the company code. My sales organization is SOM1. Okay, so this is linked with the CCM1 here. Okay, my organization, sales organization, and here assign distribution channel to the sales organization. I have created whatever the existing distribution channels are there, and just use that SOM1 for this. I have connected 0, 1 as well as 10. Only I have made it for these two only. Okay, distribution channels 0, 1 and 10. And divisions I will show you here. Okay, assign division to the sales organization. Okay, I will go to the SOM1. This is my sales organization. Division is 0, 1 and 10. I have defined it here. I have assigned it here. Then one more important thing in this is assignment of the sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Okay, so I will just go inside this. Okay, mine is SOM1. Okay, for this SOM1, we just need to search for our plant. Okay, so here there are so many different plants are available. Okay, and distribution channel, I said already for 0, 1 and 10, I have to see my plant PLM2 now. Okay, PLM2. So I just have to search for the plant PLM2. Or else I will show you some other way how we can able to search this. Okay, now okay, you can see PLM1 and PLM2 are available for us. Okay, so or else what you do, go to the selection by content. Okay, here select the plant and say okay. Just give your plant as PLM2 and say choose. Okay, based upon the plant we are searching it now. See, for these many different things, the PLM2 is selected, but for us we required only these two. Okay, this is in the copy. 1 minute. If you are getting some disturbance, please bear with that. So here, this is what we require, right? So I have just said for this distribution channel combination of the what is that sales organization, we are connecting our plant. Okay, for 0, 1 and 10, I have connected PLM2 as well. Okay, so if you want to have the specific details, then you can go to the selection parameters. Okay, so our plant is also connected with the sales organization here with the distribution channel. Okay, and this is done, and next we will go to the material management, assignment of the purchasing organization to the company code. Okay, what is our purchasing organization? That is POM1. Okay, this is assigned to the company code CCM1 here. Go back, assign purchasing organization to the plant. Okay. So once I'm going to assign the purchasing organization to the company code, no, that is the centralized purchasing organization. Okay. If you are assigning the purchasing organization to the plant, that will be a decentralized. Okay. So means this is in the MM side only. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. Purchasing organization is POM1. I think, okay, here this POMN we have already assigned the PLM2 as well. Okay. So I will just go back. This is the effect of copying the plant. Okay, everything will be
Sri, yeah, Sri, one quick query, Sri.
okay.
So normally standard purchase organization, reference purchase organization, we do have in MM, right?
Correct.
So are we referring both purchase organization, I mean standard as well as reference
No.
to EWM also?
No, it is not required. Only one purchasing organization is enough here. Only whatever the purchasing organization we are creating, no, that is enough for us. Reference, it is not.
No, that's fine. Whether, see, normally in standard scenario, we have reference purchase organization also, right?
Correct.
Where we can utilize with our standard purchase org.
Yes.
So for EWM, do we have such concepts?
No,
I mean,
no.
reference purchase org.
No, it is not required. We are just going with the standard one only.
Okay.
So, Sri, are we using all purchase organization used in MM for EWM, or that is MM activity, and after that, then we are doing EWM activities?
No, only whatever the purchasing organization we have, no, that one I am using it. But this purchasing organization basically helpful for creation of the vendors and all. Okay.
Okay, but MM activities are there. After that, our EWM activities are going on, right?
Correct.
Then okay, then all MM purchase organization will work in MM, and then we are processing next processes in EWM.
Yes, you are right. Like we'll be connecting, no, the transaction data will be like if you are creating the PO, definitely in the PO you'll be taking this purchasing or and material, vendor, all those things will be taking, correct? So they are all linked with the EWM. How they will be going to link and all will be looking at now. Okay. I am just creating it as of now. I'll show you how this will going to get transferred to the EWM. Okay, we need to run certain reports here. Then only your plant and shipping point will going to transfer. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I have just okay, shipping. Okay, assign purchasing organization to the plant is also done. Okay, next we are going to the logistic execution. Here, one more important thing here. Okay, we need to assign warehouse number to the plant and storage location combination. Okay, see this assignment of. Okay, I'll just copy it from there. Copy. Okay, assignment of the warehouse number to the plant and store location combination. Okay, here once I'm going to move inside. For ourselves, okay, we have created the WM2 as a warehouse number in the ERP side. Okay, now I just want to assign my plant and store location combination to the WM2. Okay, so this is unique, but whatever the plant, one plant with one storage location, we can connect it with the one warehouse only. Okay, this is 1:1. If you are saying same plant with the same store location, you cannot connect with the different warehouse number. It is not possible at all. Okay, so whatever the plant and S-log combination is there. Combination is 1:1 with the warehouse. Okay, the spelling might be somewhere else. I'm going to do the mistakes. Okay, please do take care of that. But whatever I'm telling you, so the plant and store location combination I'm saying. Okay, so if one plant is there here and this store location, it can be linked with only one warehouse number here. Okay, if you are linking with other warehouse, it will going to give the error. Okay, so I will say new entries. Our plant is PLM2. Storage location we have seen ROD. I'm just linking the storage location which I am taking for the EWM. We have created 3 storage locations: ROD, IM, and AFS. I am not taking the IM here. That is the inventory management. That is only to understand whether our whatever the R structure I have created, it is working correctly or not. Just to understand that, I am taking that. Okay. So here warehouse number is WM2 for us. Okay. PLM2 and AFS I am taking. This is WM2 and linking. Okay. So this is the what I'm just providing it over here. Okay. And I will save this data. Okay, and once I'll go back, okay, here assign shipping point to the plant. It is already assigned. Okay, we'll just check it. Okay, just find for our plant. Okay, plant is PLM2. Okay, so here PLM2 is the plant. Okay, under this we should see our shipping point. SPM2 is already available. Okay, so this is already linked. Okay, I will just go back now. Assignment part is everything is done. Now, whatever the R structure we have generated now, it should work perfectly now. Okay, it should work perfectly. And see, whatever and in the next class only, I'm going to tell you how we're going to create the materials, vendors, okay, all those things, because I need to take care that into the decentralized also. Okay, how the vendors and whatever the material master we can say, how they are going to ship. Okay, how they are going to transfer to the EWM, we have to check. Okay, that one I'm going to show you. Anyway, so here.
Okay.
Yes.
Sri, one more quick query. See, normally this org structure, we are performing this from perspective, and we are not having anything in EWM perspective, if I'm right.
Yes,
I mean, we have the EWM client is there, right? Over there. So, as you said, we have transactional data, master data, all this information we are sending from this client to EWM client, right? So this org information will always be available over here, and we are using this just only for reference, and we are linking all the master data setup, which is available or which is we are going to create from from this S4 system to EWM system.
Exactly, you are right.
Okay.
Okay. So here, whatever the plant and whatever the things I have created till now, okay, we have connected. Okay, at the side, we are connecting the plant and storage location to the warehouse. Just now I have connected. You have seen that, right? In the logistics section, I have connected the plant and storage location to the warehouse. That warehouse I'll be linking with the EWM warehouse. Okay, we're going to see it in the further classes. Okay, EWM warehouse we are linking a lot. Okay, so as of today, okay, what we understood is the whether we have created the ERP architecture or not. That one we are understanding. Okay, and how we will going to transfer this plant and shipping point. How we will going to transfer the material master. All these things we're going to see it in the next class. Okay, just like this, I'll be creating one more R structure in the decentralized also. Okay, same R structure I'll try to create in the decentralized, and I'm going to show it. Okay, so because we will.
Yes, Sri, just a moment. This whatever you have done, this is from ERP side, right? But this is an embedded S4HANA system.
Yes.
Then what structure will be there in EWM side? Same we have to replicate or
same only will be there. Okay, nothing will be changed. Okay, in the EWM and ERP only how that is why I said SIF transactions will be used in the decentralized. Okay, here we are not using the SIF transactions. Okay, so that is why what I will do while doing the means transferring the master data, how we are doing it in the EWM side, sorry, embedded. How we are doing it in the decentralized, that is what I want to show it to you. Okay, so that you can understand both the systems.
Okay, we are going to get access for embedded system from the guy which you are saying. And how about this centralized one which you are referring to? Do we need to get access?
No, centralized is embedded. No.
Do we need to get access for that too? For another server?
Don't take both the servers. Okay, I am taking them. Okay, please don't take. It will cost you a lot, right?
Yeah. That's why I was worried. That's why I was thinking to check.
No, just practice in one only. I am just giving the difference. Okay, wherever the difference is there, I'm just giving it to you. Then you means why I am giving the difference, because you should know both the system. That is why I'm giving the difference. Correct? No?
But nowadays it is embedded only, right?
Yeah.
Nowadays
we will go. This is just now. It is in the embedded only. Same, okay, until this only I'm going to create in the decentralized, okay. I'll just show you in the tomorrow class or else next class. Only until this I'll be creating, okay. Nothing extra I'm going to create. Until this only I'm going to create. From here, yes, we're going to move further, okay.
Yeah, got it. Decentralized, but this you have created in embedded system. This is what the organization structure is.
Yes, correct, you are right.
This is enough, right?
Yeah, this
What
is
you
enough. Yeah, this is the R structure for us. And here actually we, okay, here only I'll show you. Okay, in the logistic execution, okay, we just need to determine the things here. Okay, now determination I said no, we are determining like in this logistic execution. Okay, I am taking the shipping activities here. Okay, shipping activities, and here basic shipping functionalities. Under this shipping point and the goods receiving point determination. So this is what the determination is all about. Whenever you are receiving the goods, where the goods should come and lie in our warehouse. That is one determination we are doing it here. And through which shipping point you should ship the goods. That one we are determining here. Okay. So here assign shipping point to the, sorry, assign shipping points. Okay. Here it is there. I'm just taking this. Okay. Just go with your plant. Okay. Selection by content, plant, select this, okay. Here, if you go to the PLM2, choose, okay, see here, PLM2 is connected with the SPM1 as I have copied, but we have created one more shipping point that is SPM2, okay. I need to change these things, okay. If nothing is there, what you have to do, just create it, okay. How I'll just delete this thing, okay. Save it. How we will going to create? I just say new entries. As of now, I'm just taking this shipping point, loading group and all. I'm creating it. Shipping point will be 0, 1. It is based upon the, it will come in the SD part only. Okay. If you are just linking your plant and shipping point, that is also enough for you. Okay. Loading group means 0001. Like loading group means whether you are loading through the forklift or manually you are loading, all those things, the group will going to come. Okay. If you see, okay, crane, only crane is available here. Okay. We can create our own loading groups. Okay. This is also coming in the SD part only. Plant PL M2 I am taking and shipping point SP M2 I am taking. Okay, that is how I am just determining the things here. Okay, what material, how it will be loading, and how it will be what is that? Which is the loading group and all. I am just giving it the concept here. Okay, assignment of the shipping points. Next, assigning the goods receiving point to the inbound deliveries. Whenever you are taking certain materials, where those materials should come and lie. Okay, so here I said that is the ROD. Okay, only ROD will going to take care of that. Okay, so I'll just go with the plant here, PLM2. Okay, in the PLM2, so many different things. Okay, only ROD is there. Okay, so I have to delete this one. Okay, I don't require this. Okay, SPM1 shipping point is there. No, I don't require that. I just require the SPM2. Right? I'll just delete this. Okay, whatever the materials I am receiving now it will come to the ROD storage location only. Okay, so I will just save this. I am determining the things here. Okay. For different plants, you can define the different store locations where the material should come and lie. Okay, like that. So this is the determination part. And here one more thing will come, that is the split delivery. Okay, what is the split delivery? I am going to explain you. So here in the deliveries, if you go to the define split criteria for the deliveries, okay, here delivery split by warehouse number. Okay, if you go here,
It is going to disconnect right now, less than 1 minute.
okay, then we're going to discuss this in the further classes. Okay, yeah. Thank you then. Thanks for your patience.
Srihari, can we have course of